So here are some more sound alikes. These are words that sound very much alike, almost the same, but they have a really small difference. And the difference is the vowels. So the one vowel is going to be the short E, eh, like in pen. And the other is going to be the short A. Okay, so here we go. There are two sounds. And the one sound is eh, eh. My mouth is sort of round and relaxed. Eh, eh, eh. Comes from the back of the throat, actually. Eh, like pen. Pen. And the other one is sort of a different mouth. Pan. Pen. Pan. Pen. Pan. They're almost alike, but they're a little bit different. Okay, let's say them together. You can say it with me. I'll say a word, you repeat. We'll start with pen, men, bend, bed, beg, 10, pet, bet, send, gem. Now we'll do the bottom ones. This is the A. Pan, man, band, bad, tan, pat, bat, sand, jam. Now we'll learn the words, and then you try to tell me if you can hear the difference. Here we go. So number one is, the word is pan, like a frying pan. Pan. Do you hear it? Number one is pan. Pan. And number two is pen. Pen. Yeah. Number two is pen. A pen you write with. Pen. So number one is pan, and number two is pen. Now, listen, I'll say one word, only one word. I haven't said it yet. Here it comes. I'll say one word, and you tell me the number. You ready? Okay, here it is. Pen. Again, pen. Again, pen. Is that one or two? It's pen, number two. It's pen, number two. Good job. Let's go to the next one. Here are two words. Number one is bad, bad, bad. And number two is bed, bed, like the bed you sleep in. Number one is bad, bad, like malo, bad. And number two is bed, like the bed you sleep in. Now I'm going to say one of these words. I'm going to say one of these words, and you tell me which word is it. Okay, listen, here it comes. Not yet. Here comes the word. Are you ready? The word is bad. Bad. Again, bad. Do you hear it? Is that number one or number two? Bad. It's bad. Yes, it's bad. Okay, Let's go to the next one. There are two words, and the words are, number one is bag, bag, like a bag, like a shopping bag, bag. And number two is beg, beg, like I'm begging you, please, to beg, please, give me money, beg, beg, beg. So number one is bag, and number two is beg. Now listen, I'm going to say one word. Wait, listen, I'm going to say one word, only one word, and you tell me the number of the word. Okay, are you ready? Here it is. The word is beg. Again, beg. Is that one or two? Beg. What's the number, one or two? It's beg. Beg, please, please. Not bag. No, not bag. Beg. Beg. Very good. Here we go. Two more words. The word number one, the word is men. Men. And men is plural. Men is plural. Men, plural. And number two is man. Man, just one. Just one. One man. So number one is men. There are three men. And number two is man. Just one man. So one is men and two is man. Man. Now I'm going to say just one of these words and you tell me the word you hear. Ready? Here it is. The word is man. Again, man. Again, man. Is that number one or number two? Man. It's man. Yeah, one man. It's number two. One man. All right. Here are two different words. These are great pictures. I love this picture. Number one is tan. Tan. This is like sun tan, when your skin gets dark when you're in the sun. The word is tan. Yeah, like a suntan at the beach. Number two is 10. This is the number 10. 10. So one is tan and two is 10. I'm going to say one word and you tell me the word. Listen carefully. I'll say one word and you tell me, is it one or two? Are you ready? Here it is. The word is 10. 10. 10. Is that one or two? 10. The answer is 10. Yeah, 10. It's number two, 10. It's not tan, tan. It's 10. They're very similar, aren't they? This is fun, though. It's sort of interesting to try it, see if you can get your ear to hear it. Okay, here's the next one. Number one is pat. Pat is, this is pat. You pat someone on the head. Pat. Pat. And pat is a nice sort of thing. And number two is pet. Like a dog is a pet. Like mascota in Spanish. So pat, number one, pat, pat. And number two, pet, pet. Okay, here we go. I'm going to say one of these words, and you tell me which word it is. I'm only going to say one. You tell me the number. Are you ready? Here it is. The word is pat. Again, pat. Is that number 1 or number 2? Pat. It's number 1. Pat. Pat. It's number 1. Pat. It's not pet. It's pat. Number 1. Pat. Very good. Here are 2 different words. Number 1 is bat. Bat. Yeah, bat, like Batman. Batman, Batman, bat. It's a little, what is bat? It's not a bird. It's a rodent or something, I think. Bat. And number 2 is bet, right? You make a bet. To make a bet, you gamble money on something. Bet. So number 1 is bat, bat. And number 2 is bet, bet. Okay, let's go now. 2 more words. Number 1 is sand, sand, sand. Yeah, sand, like at the beach, the sand at the beach. And number 2 is send. Send is a verb, like an email. Send an email or send a letter. So number 1 is sand, and number 2 is send. Send. Okay, I'm going to say one of these words, and you tell me, is it number 1 or number 2? Here we go. Listen, I'll say one word, and you tell me. You ready? Okay, here it is. Sand. 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 Is that 1 or 2? Sand. It's number 1. Sand. Yeah, sand. Number 1. Number 1. It's not send. No, it's not send. It's sand. Sand. Okay. Let's go to the next one. 2 words. Number 1 is jam, jam, jam. And number 2 is gem, gem. Yeah, number 2 is gem. Like gem is like a diamond or some sort of, and jam is like strawberry jam. Number 1, jam is like strawberry jam or cherry jam. Okay, so number 1 is jam, number 2 is gem. I'm going to say one word, and you tell me which word is it. Is it 1 or 2? Here it is. The word is jam. Jam. Again, jam. Is that 1 or 2? Jam. And the word is jam. Yeah, the correct answer is jam. Number 1 is jam. We'll go to the next. Oh, that's it. That's all of them. Okay, guys, fantastic. You did it. I hope you did well. Bye.